Marymere Falls is a beautiful waterfall near the shores of Lake Crescent in Olympic National Park. Google Maps says it's about 100 miles from Seattle. It takes about 3 hours, and we took the ferry, where there are gorgeous views of the Puget Sound. According to the Washington Trails Association, it's a 1.8-mile round trip with a 500-foot elevation gain. The highest point is 1,100 feet, and sadly, at the time of making this video, dogs are not allowed. The paths and bridges are well kept, and there are guardrails up the inclines. And the reviews are in at alltrails.com. Manning Indoro writes, "Easy hike to do with kids. The falls were beautiful." Ian Patzer writes, "Absolutely beautiful the entire way, so much so that you don't even know what you should be looking at. Also has the biggest trees I've ever seen." Bryce B adds, "Nice easy hike." Well, there you have it. Marymere Falls, a mere 1.8 miles for a majestic view. Also, please stay behind the fence.